Question number 1. Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state of India? The correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Question number 2. Madhubani painting is related to which state? The correct answer is option B, Bihar. Question number 3. Who among the following built the Charminar? The correct answer is option A, Quli Qutub Shah. Question number 4. Who among the following built the Grand Trunk Road? The correct answer is option C, Sher Shah Suri. Question number 5. Charminar is located in which city of India? The correct answer is option D, Hyderabad. Question number 6. In which year did the first train start in India? The correct answer is option B, 1853. Question number 7. When is International Yoga Day celebrated every year? The correct answer is option A, 21 June. Question number 8. What is the theme of International Yoga Day 2024? The correct answer is option A, Yoga for Self and Society. Question number 9. Where and when was first metro train introduced in India? The correct answer is option D, Kolkata on 24 October 1984. Question number 10. Which state is known as God's own country? The correct answer is option D, Kerala. Question number 11. Which of the following Indian states is called the land of rising sun? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 12. Which was the first state of India created on linguistic basis after independence? The correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 13. Who is known as Napoleon of India? The correct answer is option D, Samudragupta. Question number 14. Kalinga War took place in which year? The correct answer is option A, 261 BC. Question number 15. According to the Hindu religion, how many major Puranas are there? The correct answer is option C, 18. Question number 16. Which state of India is the largest producer of tea? The correct answer is option C, Assam. Question number 17. Which is the longest beach in India? The correct answer is option D, Marina Beach. Question number 18. In which of the following cities is the longest beach in India located? The correct answer is option B, Chennai. Marina Beach is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu along the Bay of Bengal. It is India's longest and world's second longest beach. Question number 19. Which is the largest state in terms of area in India? The correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. Question number 20. Which is the most populous state of India? The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 21. Which of the following is India's highest dam? The correct answer is option C, Tehri Dam. Sardar Sarovar Dam is situated in the state of Gujarat and on the river Narmada. Tehri Dam is situated in Uttarakhand and on the Bhagirathi river. Hirakud Dam is located in Odisha and it is built across the Mahanadi river. Bhakra Nangal Dam is located in Himachal Pradesh and built on the Satluj river. Question number 22. The world's only floating national park, Kebul Lamjau National Park, is located in? The correct answer is option C, Manipur. Question number 23. In which year the Environment Protection Act was passed? The correct answer is option B, 1986. Question number 24. In which year Forest Conservation Act was passed? The correct answer is option C, 1980. Question number 25. The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in which of the following year? The correct answer is option C, 1974. Question number 26. In which year was Project Tiger launched? The correct answer is option D, 1973 to 74. Question number 27. In which year did the Bhopal gas tragedy take place? The correct answer is option B, 1984. Question number 28. Which among the following gas was leaked during the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984? The correct answer is option B, methyl isocyanate. Question number 29. The first Indian to swim across English Channel was? The correct answer is option C, Mihir Sen. Question number 30. What was the original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati? The correct answer is option B, Mool Shankar. Question number 31. Which Indian state is known as Land of Five Rivers? The correct answer is option A, Punjab. Question number 32. Which Indian city is known as the City of Palaces? The correct answer is option A, Kolkata. Question number 33. Which Indian city is also known as Pink City? The correct answer is option A, Jaipur. Question number 34. Which state is known as India's Spice Garden? The correct answer is option A, Kerala. Question number 35. Which city is nicknamed City of Thousand Temples? The correct answer is option B, Kanchipuram. Question number 36. Which one of the following is responsible for turning Taj Mahal yellow? The correct answer is option B, sulfur dioxide. Question number 37. How many times has financial emergency been declared in India so far? The correct answer is option C, never. Question number 38. Who composed the national anthem Jana Gana Mana? The correct answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 39. Who composed the national song of India Vande Mataram? The correct answer is option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 40. Which of the following Indian cities is known as the Zero Mile City because of its location? The correct answer is option C, Nagpur. Question number 41. Which city is called the Manchester of India? The correct answer is option A, Ahmedabad. Question number 42. Who was the first Indian to be elected as the President of the United Nations? The correct answer is option A, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question number 43. Which city in India is also called Maya Nagari or the City of Dreams? The correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Question number 44. Taj Mahal is located in which city? The correct answer is option D, Agra. Question number 45. Which Indian state is known as the paradise of the botanists? The correct answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 46. Which Indian state is known as the land of dawn-lit mountains? The correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 47. Who is the head of the state in India? The correct answer is option A, the President. Question number 48. The Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India is? The correct answer is option C, the President. Question number 49. Gautama Buddha was born in? The correct answer is option B, Lumbini. Gautama Buddha was born in 563 BCE in Lumbini in present-day Nepal. His childhood name was Siddhartha Gautama. His father name was King Suddhodana and his mother was Queen Maya. At the age of 16, he was married to Yasodhara and they had a son named Rahula. He was the founder of Buddhism. He died in 483 BCE at Kushinagar in present-day Uttar Pradesh. Question number 50. Where was Lord Mahavira born? The correct answer is option A, Vaishali. Lord Mahavira was born in 540 BCE at Kundagrama near Vaishali in the present-day state of Bihar. He was the founder of Jainism. He was the final and 24th Tirthankara of Jain religion. He died in 468 BCE at Pawapuri in Bihar. Question number 51. The oldest oil refinery in India is at? The correct answer is option A, Digboi in Assam. Question number 52. Which is the longest sea bridge in India? The correct answer is option A, Atol Setu. Atol Setu, also known as the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, is the longest bridge and the longest sea bridge in India. Its total length is 21.8 kilometers and it connects Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. Question number 53. In which city of Assam is Asia's largest dry fish market located? The correct answer is option B, Jagirot. Asia's largest dry fish market is located at Jagirot town of Morigao district of Assam. Question number 54. In which city of Assam is the tea festival celebrated every year? The correct answer is option C, Jorhat. Question number 55. Which city is known as the tea city of India? The correct answer is option A, Dibrugarh. Question number 56. Which city in India is associated with the tea industry? The correct answer is option C, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Question number 57. Where is Sun Temple located? The correct answer is option C, Konark. Question number 58. Who built the Konark Sun Temple? The correct answer is option B, Narasimha Deva the first. The Sun Temple is located at Konark near Puri in Puri district in Odisha. This temple was built by King Narasimha Deva the first around 1250 CE. The Sun Temple is also called Black Pagoda. In 1984, the Konark Sun Temple was declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Question number 59. Who was the ruler of Mysore in 1761? The correct answer is option C, Hyder Ali. Question number 60. Who was known as Devanampriya Priyadarshi? The correct answer is option A, Ashoka Maurya. Question number 61. Which was the first northeastern state to launch the Aadhaar scheme? The correct answer is option A, Tripura. Question number 62. When did the Unique Identification Authority of India generate the first Aadhaar card? The correct answer is option C, 29th of September 2010. Question number 63. Which northeastern state became the first to introduce Aadhaar-linked birth registration? The correct answer is option B, Nagaland. Question number 64. Who among the following Indian cricketers is also known as Master Blaster? The correct answer is option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 65. Where is the headquarters of Central Railway? The correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Question number 66. Who was the first woman IAS officer of India? The correct answer is option B, Anna Rajam Malhotra. Question number 67. Who gave the slogan of Do or Die? The correct answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 68. The largest saffron producing state or UT in India is? The correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 69. Which is the most populous union territory in India as per 2011 census? The correct answer is option C, Delhi. Question number 70. Which union territory in India has the lowest population as per 2011 census? The correct answer is option B, Lakshadweep. Question number 71. Which union territory of India has the highest population density per square kilometer? The correct answer is option C, Delhi. Question number 72. Which union territory of India has the lowest population density? The correct answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar. Question number 73. Which one of the following places is called Yoga Capital of the World? The correct answer is option B, Rishikesh. Question number 74. Onam is a festival celebrated in which Indian state? The correct answer is option B, Kerala. Question number 75. Bihu is a folk dance of which state? The correct answer is option A, Assam. Question number 76. Who was the author of Ram Charit Manas? The correct answer is option D, Tulsidas. Question number 77. Who is the author of the famous book Meghdut? The correct answer is option B, Kalidasa. Question number 78. Name the author of the book Annihilation of Caste. The correct answer is option A, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 79. The famous book Wings of Fire is an autobiography of? The correct answer is option B, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 80. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 81. Who has become the first longest serving non-Congress Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is option B, Narendra Modi. Question number 82. Which of the following parties is the oldest political party in India? The correct answer is option A, Indian National Congress. Question number 83. Which is the national heritage animal of India? The correct answer is option D, elephant. Question number 84. Who wrote the holy book Gita? The correct answer is option B, Veda Vyasa. Question number 85. Who is the author of Panchatantra? The correct answer is option C, Vishnu Sharma. Question number 86. Which is the most ancient musical instrument of India? The correct answer is option A, Veena. Question number 87. Which musical instrument Ustad Bismillah Khan used to play? The correct answer is option C, Shehnai. Question number 88. Pandit Ravi Shankar is famous for playing which of the following instruments? The correct answer is option D, sitar. Question number 89. Which among the following places is known as the wettest place of India? The correct answer is option B, Mausinram. Question number 90. When is National Space Day celebrated in India? The correct answer is option C, the 23rd of August. Question number 91. On which date is National Science Day observed in India? The correct answer is option D, the 28th of February. Question number 92. When is Good Governance Day observed in India? The correct answer is option C, the 25th of December. Good Governance Day is observed on the birthday of India's former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 93. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? The correct answer is option B, the 26th of January. Question number 94. In which of the following years the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana was launched? The correct answer is option D, 2015. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme was launched on January 22, 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Panipat, Haryana. Question number 95. What is the national vegetable of India? The correct answer is option B, pumpkin. Question number 96. The first newspaper published in India was? The correct answer is option C, the Bengal Gazette. Question number 97. Educational TV was first introduced in India in which year? The correct answer is option A, 1959. Question number 98. What is the first TV channel in India? The correct answer is option A, DD National. Question number 99. What was India's first TV serial? The correct answer is option A, Hum Log. India's first TV drama or serial, Hum Log, began telecasting on Doordarshan on July 7, 1984 and ended on December 17, 1985 with 156 episodes. Question number 100. The first education channel launched by IGNOU is? The correct answer is option C, Gyan Darshan. Thanks for watching, and guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.